If you've been thinking about selling your home this year in Bay County, Florida, here's 4 things that you need to know that sellers at the top of the market wish they would have done different. I'm Sean Casilli with Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and here are those 4 things. Let's dive in. Number 1, priced incorrectly. Number 2, they wish they would have had a better online curb appeal. And number 3, bad timing. Number 4, they felt like they skimped on repairs. Now let me break those down for you. Let's start with number 1, probably the most important. Priced incorrectly. Right now it's taking about 73 days to get to contract on homes for sale, but only about 31 days if the home is priced properly. So in January of this year, 22% of the homes that went to contract only did so because of price reductions. Moving on to number 2, online curb appeal. 87% of the people, we're talking top of the market here. Last year, when things were just going like gangbusters, 87% of people wish they would have done something different. And 40% here, 40% believed that if they would have had better online photos, that they would have increased their net selling price. 25% believed that if they had a virtual tour of some kind, that it also would have increased their net or their bottom line. But what are the real statistics, you guys? Zillow has actually produced some statistical research data that they've released, and they have said that you'll get 45% more views if you have a 3D tour, 57% more saves if you have one as well. These are real numbers, you guys, so make sure when you're talking to your agent, not just talking to them, go and look at their portfolio, see how they represent their listings to make sure they include those things. Moving on, bad timing. Some people didn't know how long it was going to take to sell their home, and they needed the proceeds to purchase their next property. Just a lack of education. The other bit of it, also released from Zillow on research, was that the best time to sell a home is in the spring. And while your personal circumstances may not always dictate what is best for you and your family, April is the month to do it if you can. Number 4, skimping on repairs. 65% of recent sales where people have done home improvements, at least 2 of them, there were 74% that were confident that it actually contributed to them selling for the most money and for a quicker contract. So you guys, it's really important to stay educated on how to get things done, especially with the rising interest rates and the declining sellers market. The pool of buyers is really small right now. If you guys want to work with a professional in the trenches, we've helped dozens of families already this year with achieving their real estate goals. So if you want help with that, I'm going to leave contact information down below. Again, I'm Sean Casilli with Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.